gonna get it on the pump, y'all. All right, bear with me. There's a lot of work today running all this electric and everything. Just ain't a overnight job here. All right, man. Okay, y'all, we're getting ready to weld on this thing. I'm gonna take and isolate the TXV here. There's my bulb back here. It already comes hooked up and everything on the American Standard. It's pretty easy to change out. Hope I don't have to, but it is. But anyway, we're gonna get her welded. All right, y'all, hang on. You're recording. Kill it. All right, we'll bubble test it. We got the nitro on her right now. Got her at 120 pounds. Broke out the new bender. Welds look pretty daggone good. Okay, y'all, we got our unit set on our 4x4s. We broke out our bender. We've got a 90-degree bend on our 7/8 here, and then we've got a 90-degree bend right straight into the unit. So we're only going to have one weld up here. Same with the 3/8 copper. We've actually taken some old wet socks and wrapped our valves up good and tight, and we've got the nitrogen, and we're getting ready to flow her through, and we're getting ready to braze. All right, we'll show you here when we get